Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern for baby blanket. It's easy and it's very good pattern. So I hope you will like it. So I'm gonna show you in white color. I'm using double knitting yarn. It's a soft baby yarn. So I'm using 3.5 millimeter, or you can also use a 4 millimeter hook for this double knitting yarn. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I'm gonna continue. This pattern will be multiply 3, so I will show you at the end. So viewers, I have 30 chains, so I'm gonna add 4 more. 1 2 3 4. So yarn over, which I made 4 chains, I'm gonna skip 3. In fourth one I'm gonna make 1 2 3. So skip 2, 1 2, and third single crochet. So 1 2 3, chain 3 in same stitch, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, skip to 1 2, third, 1 2 3, 3 double crochet in same stitch, 2 3. So skip to 1 2, in third make 1 2 3, same stitch, 2 3 double crochet, skip to 1 2, in third single crochet, 1 2 3, same stitch, 1 2 3, 1 2, in third, same stitch, 3 double crochet, skip 2, and third single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, in third single crochet, so in one stitch, skip 2, in third single crochet, 1 2, in third, sorry, 1 2 3, same stitch, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. So I have 3 chain left, 1 2 3. In third one I'm gonna make single crochet. So okay, you see it's look like this. So I'm gonna make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chain 6 here, single crochet. Now 1 2 3 chain 3. This is chain 3. With chain 3 I'm gonna make single crochet. So one row like this, chain 3 single crochet there, chain 3 single crochet in with this chain 3, chain 3 single crochet there, 1 2 3 single crochet there, chain 3 single crochet there, chain 3 single crochet there, chain 3 single crochet, chain 3, then at the end this way chain 3 make single crochet. So here I'm gonna make chain 3 now, chain 3 turn work. It's look like this, yarn over. Here same stitch I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. So next top of this, where is the single crochet, again I'm gonna tie this with single crochet, then chain 3, yarn over, same stitch, 3 double crochet. So this pattern will go in 2 rows like this, single crochet in the single crochet, then make chain 3. This is so simple and easy, even beginner can make this pattern. 3 double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, chain 3, chain 3, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 2 3 single crochet in the single crochet, chain 3, 2, 3, single crochet in the single crochet, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So here at the end, always you have to make in here single crochet, 1, 2 in third chain, make single crochet here. So you can see how it's look like. It's look like this. Other back side is also good, looks good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Always remember where I made this chain 3, you always have to make with single crochet with this. So guys, this is so easy and beautiful. So here at the end, single crochet, chain 3, turn work, yarn over in the same stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 and the next single crochet, make single crochet, chain 3, again same stitch, sorry, 3 double crochet, 2, oi, it don't be my crochet be naughty. So, 3 single crochet, chain 3, one, 2, 3 here, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 3 single crochet top of this, again chain 3, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 single crochet, chain 3, one, two, three. So single crochet, chain 3, so 1, 2 in third, make single crochet. So here again you have to make chain 6, then always chain 3. So no point to make the big. So I hope you understand this easy pattern, nothing difficult. So I made how I made like this pattern. So I hope you like it. If you like, please press the bell icon. If you want more, see more videos, I will show you very easy videos well. So I hope you like it. If you like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So